A local restaurant on Hurdle Avenue is being forced to temporarily close. It's due to significant flooding caused by a broken sprinkler system. Channel 2's Alexandra Rios Malvia shows us the damage.
This was the scene yesterday. Drops of water still coming down from the ceiling of Tony Tuber's restaurant, T-Squared Teas and Taps on Hurdle Avenue.
When I walked in yesterday morning, I was heartbroken.
Roughly 12 to 14 inches of water. Tony's dad, Mike, showing me just how high the water levels reached.
My dad and I and our family have put so much time and effort into getting this place.
They opened back in November. The restaurant was a welcoming hub for the community that included indoor golf simulators, but now there's a lot of work to be done.
When we walked in here yesterday, there was 8 inches of water to a foot of water all over the building, and it was, kind of hard to wrap your head around how are we going to fix this.
The flooding started after a broken sprinkler system in the top floor of the building, sending water rushing down into Tony's restaurant.
The water did damage a lot of our drywall ceilings and walls and floors. Luckily, all the water was consolidated in one spot, kind of in the middle of our building, where there wasn't a whole lot of electronics.
Thousands of dollars in inventory destroyed. With the restaurant ceiling
It all pulled up on this drywall, and the drywall ended up collapsing.
taking the worst of the impact.
It's a little sad to have it interrupted, but we'll be able to come back stronger, and we're excited, to reopen.
They have insurance, so they will be able to get some help there. Their location on Hurdle Avenue is now closed until the repairs are done. However, you can still support the business as they have another location in Orchard Park. Claudine.
That's good to know. Thanks for bringing us that story from Hurdle Avenue today, Alex. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.